How to fix if Instagram posts are not showing up on your profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Then, simply search Instagram. After you search Instagram, make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version. After you have done that, click on the app, which will open this page, and simply scroll down in here. If you have joined beta version, simply click on leave. After you've clicked on leave, press on leave again. After you do that, you can open your Instagram and your post will show up. This is how to fix Instagram posts not showing up on profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.